All right, hello everybody. Thank you for being here. Some smiling faces at 5:45 p.m. I love it. This is good. What's that, Dan?
We're misbehaving on the back.
Okay. Well, there is a timeout corner, so I will put you in there, Dan. I will. Thank you all so much for being here. A couple orders of business before we start. So I am recording this on my camera here, so it'll be my ugly face. And then we've got a guy with a camera back here. He's going to be snapping some photos. So if you do not want to have your photo publicized, I'm not going to put it in like the Monterey Herald or anything, but if you don't want it going over the web, just let me know. If it's not a problem, then cool. We're gonna shoot, and I'll have a video consent form for you guys also. Okay? Cool. So thank you all for being here. It's going to be about an hour long. There might be some people trickling in here. There will be a Q&A at the end. Okay? This is really cool. I'm so excited to be able to start this series. This is going to be something that I'm doing on a monthly basis. It's going to be different topics each time, and they're going to differ a little bit, but a lot of it is going to be talking about pain. You could all have stayed home tonight, right? But you chose to be here for whatever reason. Maybe it's to support me because you know me. Maybe it's because you're interested in the information. Either way, I am grateful. You could have been home watching Netflix, right? Like, there's a lot of good things on Netflix. I'm currently watching Narcos. Any of you watched that? Yeah. The first one, not the Mexico one. Is the Mexico one better? See, now I'm going to get in a Netflix spiral, and it's just going to be bad. I'm going to stay up till 4 a.m. I did that one time watching The Punisher. It was not good, and I had to work the next day. So, but I'm watching Narcos. It's about Pablo Escobar. And before that, I watched Breaking Bad. Yeah, another good one. Yeah. I know. Yeah, there he is. I got Walter White here. This is crazy. Heisenberg. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But it's, I think there might be some drug trafficking in my future potentially. I'm not. Hopefully not. If this works out, So this is to see if it's going to work out. If it doesn't, and I disappear, you're going to know what happened. Move to New Mexico. But thank you all so much for being here. I'm just so excited to present this information to you guys, to share this info with you guys today. A little bit about me. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nathan. My last name is Kadlecek, and I am a doctor of physical therapy. I graduated from Columbia University in 2017, so I've been a physical therapist for about 3 years now. Fun fact, I am Czechoslovakian, or Czech, right? My last name, hey, there we go, yeah. My last name is Czech, or not Czech, but there's Czech at the end. And I thought, and I tell everybody, right, I'm Czech, I went to Prague this past summer, like it was awesome, and I'm telling all these people that's who I am, it's my identity, right? And then my brother has to go take a 23andMe test. Turns out I'm 11% Czech. I'm 25% Ashkenazi Jew instead, which is awesome. So I thought I was Czech, right? Here's the bridges, beautiful place. But instead, I'm Ashkenazi Jew, which it's actually the most common demographic. But this was news to me. It was an unknown. I had no idea. I knew it was a little bit Jewish, but 25%, wow. So my whole identity was broken, and this was a week ago. So you're getting a new me. It's interesting because there's a lot of things that we think we know, and we live in that world. But there's also things that we have no idea, we don't know it, right? Those unknown unknowns. So I'm going to share with you, hopefully, some unknown unknowns today. Okay. I'm also the owner of Kadalyst Wellness and Physical Therapy. I have had this business now for about a year, 2 years unofficially. I was treating people all over the place in San Jose and Santa Cruz and whatnot, but now my location is here primarily. I started this business with a mission, and to just get it down to the main juice of it and the main meat of it, I started, oh, there's music still going, isn't there? That's annoying.